Handa ka na ba makinig, marinig sa mga bibitawan ko? Nakakaiba sa mga nakalipas na mga...
Good morning everyone. Today we will be fixing the transmission issue for this 2007 Mazda 3, and I'm gonna show you everyone the code for this Mazda. It has a transmission code, so let's go check the code first. So let's put the car on position. Don't start it. So you can see there's a check engine light in there. Then let's check the code. Read fault data. So okay, retrieve. So it's a shift solenoid B. That's the code. Let's start the car. So there's the check engine light. I'm gonna put the car on gear. Look at the dashboard. The automatic transmission sign didn't show up, but as soon as I put it onto gear, I put it on D. Look at it, went to solenoid. It went to second gear right away. So there's a problem with the transmission. See that? It shouldn't be like this. It shouldn't be showing this. So let's fix the car. So the most common problem for this car with regards with the transmission is the TCM. So for today we will be changing the TCM for this Mazda. And if you watch my previous video, I already changed the transmission filter and transmission fluid for this car, and also I did check those solenoid resistance, and it's under the specification of this car. So for today we'll try this one. Then if you search it on Google, the most common problem for this car is this TCM. This is a used one, but still gonna work. So let's do it. It's too heavy. So that's the TCM right there. It has one bolt here, and then I think where was that? Here. Just three, 1, 2, and 3. I think you can see it. Oops. think you can see it there, right there, then over there, and then one more here. I can feel it here, so I cannot film it anymore because there's no enough space, but you can reach it. See, there you go. That's the TCM. Let's push the thing. Just push this. There you go. Then, come on. There you go. Then, that's the old one. So that's the old one. And the broken one. And this is the one that we are going to replace. So it should be, you should had the same code. That's 1A, 1C, L340, L340, 189A, 189A, but this one is 1C, but it's okay. As long as the what they said, for first digit is the same, so L340, L340. And I already put a silicone here because look at this one, it's burned. So this gives you protection from the heat of the transmission. So let's put it on. So everything is on. Let's start the car. Alright. Now check engine light. No automatic transmission sign. The one in here, the 80. So let's try to put it on gear. So it's in gear. Alright, so it started in first gear. A while ago it started with the second gear. So let's go in reverse. Let's move the car. Wow. Now it works. Alright. Oops. Drive. Alright. Let's check the code. If there's still a code. Let's hold on. Okay. Diagnose. Scan. So Mazda. Okay. Okay, manual select. Transmission. Hopefully there's no more. Read fault data. Please, no more. Alright. No DTC. So, okay. Retrieve. Also, no. So, there you go. That's how you fix a transmission issue for 2007 Mazda 3. But of course, before you do this kind of repair, it's better to like open the transmission pan, change the filter, change the transmission fluid, check the solenoid if it's under specification, and then if still the car still had a transmission issue, then that's the time you can you know, change or do this kind of repair, changing the transmission control module for this car. So there you go, guys. This is a tutorial for changing transmission control module for 2007 Mazda 3. I hope you like the video. If you have any question, suggestion, please comment below, and please like and subscribe my channel too. So that's all for now. Have a good day, and see you next time.